Time and cost are the main hardships of all the manufacturers in the engineering industry. With almost 2 decades of extensive domain experience globally to back us, MeshWorks is envisioned to make the power of CAE accessible to engineers. I stands for Integrated Modeler. From a single CAD model, generate multiple functional CAE models. P stands for Parametric Modeler, a patented technology of DEP that enables baseline CAE model created in MeshWorks 8.0 automatically gets transformed into a parameter model, saving time and effort of parametrization. A stands for Associative Modeler. MeshWorks enable a tight association between CAD and CAE data for both forward and reverse association. As and when the CAD data is updated or morphed, the mesh interface conditions get updated. A stands for Automated Modeler. Repetitive CAE processes can be automated in a user-defined GUI without any programming expertise by just drag and drop functionalities, which are model independent and easy to integrate. The new generation of MeshWorks is an innovative platform for smarter, lighter, and faster manufacturing, while providing even better robustness in its features that performs tasks of meshing. Create 2D and 3D meshes rapidly from complex CAD data. Modeling performs complex full system level models. Post-processing, viewing and publishing the results of analysis. Graphing, powerful plotting and data analysis tool. CAE Morphing, morph existing FE and CFD models to match new geometry and/or to new proportions. Concept modeling, cutting, blending, and stitching functions to create early-stage concept FE and CFD models. We recognize that optimization scenarios today are multi-objective and multivariate in nature. So we equipped MeshWorks with multidisciplinary optimization tools, which proves to be a stronger platform for engineers exploring optimized designs and address creation of math models for both traditional and non-traditional optimization methodologies at different phases of product development. MeshWorks' comprehensive parametrization looks at not just shape and size as parameters, but goes beyond to have welding, adhesives, feature parameters, beads, darts, ribs, bulkheads, topology parameters, part extenders, material parameters, and thus providing wide array of parameters that engineers could use and benefit from. Design enabling. Automatically create typical design solutions required to improve structural and CFD performance and reduce weight. CAD morphing. Morph existing CAD data, body structures, powertrain, and chassis parts directly to new shapes. With these entire set of new capabilities, MeshWorks is packaged as a complete CAE platform for model building, model assembly, post-processing, etc., with commitment to create seamless and meaningful end-to-end experience. MeshWorks assists the engineers of automobile, aerospace, defense, biomed, heavy machinery, oil and gas, technology, energy, and consumer electronics domains. Ready to optimize your product development? Visit www.depusa.com/meshworks